Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. Today we will talk about how you can customize the cart icon on your site. Let's get to it. On the Wix editor, click on your cart icon, then click on settings. Here, select the cart style or cart icon that you'd like to use instead. And below, you can customize its color as well as its number font and color. So go ahead and customize it however you want to and resize it if needed. Once you're done, click on Save to save your changes. And if your site's previously been published, you can click on Publish again in order to publish the changes you've made to your live site as well. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help. If it was, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.